possible something.
When
Possible that.
something is planned to achieve right, drastically, drastically,
I change of tremendously. What is the? I can't pronounce that. Could you please?
yeah, change in extreme way, you know, in a major change or drastic
Immediate.
change. Now, what is meant by hindsight?
Hindsight. I think understanding the situation, whatever is happened in past, but
Right.
now I'm understanding the situation.
Very good. What is eventual?
Eventual. I
Yes.
think it's to occur something.
Something that occurs towards the end. At the end, eventually, she qualified. Okay. What is contingency? People have made contingency plan.
Acha. So I think it's possible something. Possible
When
that.
something is planned to achieve a specific result, that is called a contingency plan. Potential. Potential.
Sorry, I can't do.
The possibility to develop or achieve something in the future.
Potential.
Forthcoming.
Forthcoming. So I think it's near in future.
Yes.
Something is near in future.
Right. Inevitable. Inevitable.
Inevitable. I forget.
Something which is bound to happen. It is not avoidable. What is an invention?
Sorry.
Invention. Invention.
Invention. I think it's what was that? I forget again.
It is to create something.
Yeah, create
A
something.
device or a system or a gadget
Yeah,
or a
create something.
formula. These are all scientists do inventions. What is the meaning of unpredictable?
Yeah. So which is not possible to predict.
Sorry, come again.
Which is not possible to predict.
Okay, correct. So Madhumita, you are doing quite well. How many more sessions do you have?
How many?
More sessions do you are remaining?
Yeah, so also today I don't have any session, and it is my first session, and also it's gonna be my last session. But tomorrow I have a session. That's I booked your session tomorrow also from 10 to 10
Okay. Okay, you are doing fine, and keep coming for this session. They are helping you to improve your spoken language. Okay. See you then. Thank you so much for being here on time.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir.